Namaste everyone. I welcome you all again today in this 10 minutes morning yoga class. And today we are going to focus in the seated positions practices. So in 10 minutes we'll do 10 minutes all the stretches. So let's start without any further delay. Interlock the hands, inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale down. One more. Inhale, stretch, 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 stretch. Exhale down. Perfect. Stretch the arms and big circle to warm the shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Okay, palms on your knees. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, two more. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale. Now, yahin se chin to the right shoulder. Inhale, exhale. 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 Perfect. राइट हैंड पीछे रखा एंड लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट नी को पकड़े, ट्विस्ट. इनहेल, एक्सेल, अदर साइड. चेंज, चेंज, change, 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 change. Right side hold, open the chest and breathe nicely. Very important to breathe. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. अब यहीं क्रॉस लेग्स में ही बैठना है. रेज द हैंड्स अप. राइट लेग की तरफ यू बेंड और होल्ड करें. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hands up. दूसरी तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. All right. Legs straight करके shake करें. Half butterfly. Back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs straight. Feet forward back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, Shishupalasana. So, how we move a baby, how we swing a baby. So, just इस फुट को दूसरे एल्बो पे ऐसे फिक्स कर दें और दूसरा हाथ ऐसे. अगर ऐसा नहीं हो पा रहा तो आप ऐसे सिंपल पकड़ के और बस ऐसे मूव. 1, चेस्ट के पास रखना. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. अब legs को फिर से shake कर दें. Now open the feet wider. Interlock the hands. चक्की चलाना. Exhale forward. Inhale पीछे जाना. Exhale forward. Inhale back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Done. Perfect. Shake the legs. Great. Now, legs fold, hands back. Inhale, 1, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. Shoot the hips more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Perfect. Shake the arms. Hope you enjoyed this quick 10 minutes क्लास और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है इन प्रैक्टिस को करना जब भी आपके पास टाइम कम हो तो जस्ट डू दीज 10 मिनट्स सीरीज क्लासेस एंड you will feel energetic throughout the day. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Namaste.